And the breaking news that's coming in, there have been heavy rains that have triggered landslides in parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. Affected areas in Arunachal include Bomdila and Dirang. The landslides have disrupted the movements of vehicles in these affected areas. Movements have also been disrupted on the Charudyar and the Tawang Road and also the Kalaktang Tenga Road, whereas in Meghalaya, the landslides have been reported in some parts of East Khasi Hills. And this is the big breaking news coming in. Viewers, we're staying with those pictures. Landslides have disrupted movement of vehicles in the affected areas in Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. This is also after there has been a quick monsoon that has been reported in these areas and has been spoken of. And now these landslides that I am speaking about have been reported in these areas in Arunachal. There was in Meghalaya. I'm going to give you more details of the landslides that are now being reported. Heavy rains triggered landslides in Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. The pictures on the screen from Arunachal Pradesh. Remember earlier the heavy rainfalls triggered landslides in Arunachal Pradesh and surface communication had been snapped in several districts in Mangaluru, in Karnataka and also in Meghalaya. These pictures coming in from in several districts after those heavy rains had triggered landslides. There was a key stretch in these roads had been damaged in certain villages which saw continuous downpour. We also seeing in Arunachal Pradesh districts, landslides have been reported at various locations. The Aulo Machka report strategically important for army personnel also deployed in these districts. The BRO engaged men and machinery to clear the road. Blockade is likely also to be cleared quickly, but heavy rains trigger these massive landslides and there have also been damages. Similarly, viewers, several parts of Guwahati have been inundated after heavy rains. While the normal life has been disrupted, authorities are busy trying to pump out water from flooded areas. Take a look at this report.
Incessant rain in the last 48 hours have completely inundated several locations across Guwahati. Right now we are reporting from Anil Nagar area in the heart of the city, and here also you can see how the waters have completely inundated the entire area. Movement of the locals have been completely disrupted. Vehicles cannot ply on this road anymore. This is not the only location where floodwaters have completely inundated the area in Guwahati, but across the city in several locations, traffic movement have been completely disrupted as several roads have been totally submerged by the floodwaters following incessant rain for the last over 48 hours, and it is still heavy rain going on. As right now we are showing you from the Anil Nagar area, and here also the efforts are on by the district administration to pump out the water from the area towards Brahmaputra through the Borodu river, and heavy duty pumps are being operated out here. You can see these heavy duty pumps pumping out several liters of water, but as far as the drains are concerned, all the drains have been completely clogged because of the floodwaters, and as a result the entire area have been completely submerged. Roads disrupting vehicular movement, and inside the city also in several locations vehicular movement have been completely disrupted. Efforts are on. SDRF have been deployed in several areas. In some areas SDRF also had to deploy rubber boats in order to help the locals commute to the other parts of the city.